Hey guys, welcome back for another adventure. Out here with my brother, Mike, again, and Jeff, his neighbor. We're out here for 2 nights, out in the middle of some forest. I'm not exactly sure where, and it's his preferred spot here, so decided to come check out his neck of the woods. And yeah, we're gonna do some car camping, some hot tent camping in this igloo. It'll be a whole different setup than what I'm used to, but I'm excited to try it out, so let's go. Trying to figure out how this is all gonna fit in here.
Not sleeping outside.
I might not have enough room. I guess it would be okay. It's just trying to get in and out of this door. I'm kind of cockeyed to try to make this work, or I go lengthwise like that, but then you gotta step up and over me, kinda. Decision was made for me to sleep outside in the cold. These guys, there's just not enough room in there for me. It's perfect for 2 though. So I decided to set up that little sweet thing right there.
He's a beaut.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, here's my humble abode. So it's not bad. Barely can fit this in here. It's a little bit short, to be honest, but it's a winter tent and it cost me like $170, so figured I'd try out the whole winter tent thing. I don't know, really I just needed a backup, and I'm glad I had one, so we'll see how it goes. But this is the Zembivy with it's like the 35 degree setup for theirs. I forget what he calls it, but it's good down to 35. I think he calls it a 15 or something. I don't know. Anyway, good down to 35. And then I have my normal sleeping bag in here by Western Mountaineering. And this puppy I've got a lot of confidence in. I should be able to stay warm with my pillow right here. So I should be nice and cozy and all that down. And then I just have this extra piece right here, which I don't think I'll need, for insulation underneath me. So I'm using it for my knees and my gear, so that way my feet aren't freezing if I want to sit. But I'll probably put a little lantern up top there, and that'll be it, really. I don't think I'll put much else in here, to be honest. Got my truck right outside. So let's see this, Jeff. Go like this with that. Look at this.
Got your wind guards, splash guards.
Yeah, wind guards right here. And this is, I mean, it's like an old Coleman, but made by Northwest Territory. I've never heard of them really, but it sounds like it probably is a good brand. I mean, look at this. It's nice and clean in here. This thing's like it's not been used.
Never used it.
Look at this. Just a little bit of your... So you know this burner used maybe once. This burner was used half a dozen times, if that. Wow, this is for $5. How much does it weigh?
It doesn't weigh.
Oh, and it's super light. It's super light. Dude, it's got these little legs. Boy, that thing's awesome.
Has like the resin thing that will let it catch.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why. Yeah,
That's what I was.
Cause I still have my 3 packs, which each one could serve 2 people.
That's the adventure. Yeah.
Oh man.
That looks awesome.
Let's give this a try. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep, that's it.
The spot.
That's the thing.
You just want me to make it for you, Mike?
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Mm.
Easy person. So.
Philly cheesesteak is definitely a keeper. That was real good. It is freezing out here right now. It just, the temperature definitely dropped at least 5 to 10 degrees. So we've already got the stove going a little bit, and we'll probably be heading in there pretty soon. It's still light out, so we don't want to go in there too early, but it'd be nice to kind of de-thaw now that dinner's done and relax for a little bit, and then eventually got to come out here and do some cleanup. So oh yeah, it is cooking in here now. Now I'm nice and toasty. And then this has got to be one of the best parts about Mike's tent. Got this huge window right here, and you can look straight out. And then if you want to keep the heat in, you can zip it right up and still keep that that vestibule open if you want. Pretty nice. All right, I'm inside the tent. It's actually snowing pretty good out there, so hopefully we don't get too much snow because we are pretty buried down this road. But yeah, warmish, not too bad. I think it's only like 15, 16 degrees out right now. Shouldn't get too much colder, so we'll see how it goes. But I am tired and I am ready for bed, so I will see y'all in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning, everybody. Oh, man. I gotta get myself up. I'm still sleeping, and it's nice and bright out. Curious how much condensation kind of built up on the outside of this. Inside of it, really not a lot of condensation on the inside of this, which is good. But it's still, you could still feel it's just a little bit wet. But I also think part of that is because it's short. Oh yeah, we did get some snow. Wow. I have to dig myself out of here. Oh boy. Let's go. Oh, Mikey, look at you. This giant sleeping bag, dude.
Thank you, my wife.
On the menu, first thing in the morning, some coffee, some cocoa. You don't want to tell us?
I
happened?
could. This is the third time it's happened.
What happened, dude?
So I had a crown put in. I had a root canal a year ago. And like a month or so ago, the crown fell off while I was chewing. Went back.
That was on what? On 2 trips ago, right?
No, that's a different thing.
Oh, it's a whole. So this
This
you've
was
had
a-
other teeth or other
This was a crown that I had put on a year ago. Yeah, the one at the previous trip, that was actual tooth that cracked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From that stupid bar.
Yeah.
Whatever the heck that is, I won't say because
It was green belly, man. Those are great.
it was like a brick, dude.
Well, you gotta warm them up, I guess. I don't know, man. I love them.
But this one, I had it done. Then it fell off like maybe 2 months ago. I went back to the dentist and he said he thought it was like the bonding material was like he got like a bad batch or something. I was like,
Yeah.
okay. He re-cements it on. Literally a week later, falls off. I go back and he's like, all right, this time it better not fall off or, you know, he's going to be mad. Whatever. So now it just fell off again. So
2 out of the 3 last trips where Mike's lost a tooth or something.
toothless.
We are gonna have to come up with some sort of trail name that has to do with his teeth for sure. So comment down below what you think should be his camp/trail name. I'm pretty sure my wife will come up with the best one
Could be big
because she's
sexy,
good at it.
Could be anything.
But yeah, leave that down below. Let me know what you think. One of the nice things about winter camping with all this snow is look how clean I can get that. What you do is you take some snow, you make a snowball, pack it down hard, and then you use that kind of around the outside and everything. That's your Brillo pad. What a nice trail. All throughout here. Beautiful little trail. And there's definitely all fresh snow. Nobody's ever been back here. Not in a long time. Yeah, there's nobody in there or nothing, so I don't know. Who left this? Ah, completely. Dude, it's caving in even worse now. I don't know. I mean, there's no footprints or anything around here.
He's got him.
That's right. The baddies came for them. So they do exist.
They do.
Wow. Right when the snow comes. It's coming down.
I need my other gloves because these are tight.
That's hot right there.
You gotta get it ripped.
Absolutely.
You can almost move some.
This is the perfect fire.
No one's ready for this, okay?
Oh, shit.
Woo.
That is pretty.
No,
Dude,
I
that's
know.
a good fire, man.
Are we really recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say we talk about Elkville, how we went in town.
Oh, yeah, that was a
Wouldn't
good...
that be cool?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got.
What we got?
There we go. Peppers,
Oh,
onions,
yeah.
sausage.
Yeah.
The goods.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
Man, we got a good fire going. Nice and hot. And having some Funyuns. Camden, he got me going on these. Dude, my 7-year-old. Oh, wait, he's 8. He's going to be 8? Man, he's going to be 8
And you stole his Funyuns.
on Monday. No. Wow, he's growing up too quick. But thanks, Camden. Got these because of you, buddy. Well, good morning, everybody. Had a great night's sleep last night. It got down to about 12, 13 degrees and stayed like that. It was pretty cold out there. But I was warm and cozy inside this setup here. My sleeping bag and my quilt on top. I look like, when you look down, you just see all this down like a little caterpillar. But yeah, it was nice and cozy. I think really didn't get any condensation that I had to deal with at all last night, other than just a little on my top quilt for my breath. But it wasn't very much. Inside the tent, really not much. So I don't know. Without the snow kind of pushing everything in, this thing definitely held up a lot better with condensation for sure. Because I did have a little bit of condensation when it was snowing yesterday, but again, it really wasn't much. So nothing abnormal, nothing that you wouldn't normally expect to see. So yeah, these double layered tents seem to work real good. Give me a little extra warmth. I feel warm in here when I'm changing and stuff like that. It's like a little, I don't know, just takes the edge off, I guess. And then once you get into your sleeping bag, good to go. All right, had myself some coffee, hanging out with the guys, just kind of chatting. Real lazy this morning, but yeah, it's getting to that point where we got to start packing up. It's always the hardest part is basically leaving when you've had a good trip, especially when it's nice and warm in the hot tent. But we had some coffee, got ourselves going. Time to get packed up and get out of here. We got Jeff over there. He's already starting.
Gotta get moving.
Yeah, it's time to get going. So we're going to pack up and get out of here. Hey, if you made it to this part of the video, I want to say thanks for watching all the way through. Thanks for being a supporter of the channel. Give me a likes, the thumbs up and all that stuff. Leave a comment down there. Yeah, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.